Your Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powerful, but one wrong car mount could crack that screen in seconds. Most best Galaxy Z Fold 7 car mounts fail under real driving pressure, bumps, heat, and sharp turns. So which ones actually protect your $1,800 phone? Stay with me, because what you're about to see might save your Fold from disaster. This is the ultimate guide to best Galaxy Z Fold 7 car mounts. Let's start. Number 5. SDPRYXGS New Generation Scalable and Rotatable 15-watt Dual-Coil Mobile Phone Wireless Car Charger delivers ultimate convenience and performance for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Featuring dual-coil fast charging, it powers Samsung, iPhone, and Pixel devices at max speed, 10-watt for Galaxy Z series, 7.5-watt for iPhone, 15-watt for Pixel 4 to 9. Its one-click 90-degree rotation allows seamless vertical and horizontal use, while strong compatibility fits 90% of car vents with magnetic secure hold, case-friendly design, and USB-C connectivity. It ensures safe, durable, and hassle-free in-car charging, keeping your phone stable even on bumpy rides. Number 4. Delobon Car Phone Holder Mount is engineered specifically for Galaxy Z Fold 7, Fold 6, and Fold 5, delivering a perfect fit for foldable screens and ultra-wide devices. Crafted with an all-metal aluminum alloy bracket, it ensures unmatched durability and stability, resisting high temperatures and long-term wear. The gravity adaptive clamp allows one-handed operation for effortless phone locking and release while driving. Its spiral hook air vent design keeps your dashboard clear, and the 360-degree rotating ball head offers full horizontal or vertical adjustment, combining safety, convenience, and premium quality in every drive. Number 3. JDHDL Wireless Car Charger Mount is a serious upgrade for Galaxy Z Fold 7 users who want speed, stability, and smart design on the road. This 15-watt dual-coil wireless charger delivers fast, efficient power while securely holding large foldable phones with auto-clamping precision. The one-touch 90-degree rotation instantly switches portrait to landscape, perfect for navigation. Built-in safety protections, strong air vent mounting, USB-C power, and premium durability make it reliable for daily driving. The result is safer hands-free use, consistent charging performance, and excellent value for power-hungry foldables. Number 2. DICMKY delivers a confidence-boosting upgrade for Galaxy Z Fold 7 car mounts with a dual-coil wireless charging holder built for power, safety, and everyday durability. This mount features auto-clamping sensors for true one-hand operation, a wide adjustable cradle for large foldable screens, and one-click rotation for seamless navigation viewing. With up to 15-watt fast wireless charging via USB-C, secure air vent mounting, and stable grip on rough roads. It offers reliable performance, safer driving, and excellent value for daily USA commuters who demand speed and convenience. Number 1. ANPULES Wireless Car Charger Car Mount is purpose-built for Galaxy Z Fold 7, delivering fast, stable, and intelligent charging in real driving conditions. Featuring dual-coil wireless fast charging, automatic clamping with smart coil sensing, and a built-in supercapacitor, it keeps your Fold secure even after engine shutdown. With 360 degrees adjustable viewing, air vent and dashboard mounting, scratch-protective silicone arms, USB-C power, and rock-solid grip. It offers safety, durability, hands-free navigation, and premium value, perfect for daily USA road use.